In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Rheem Tankless hot water heater if it's flashing error code 99. Now, error code 99 means that your exhaust blower is not working correctly, most likely due to your exhaust vent being clogged by debris, or there's a buildup of water in some of your fittings. So take your exhaust apart and make sure that's cleaned out, and then you need to take off the front cover. To remove the front cover, you just simply use a normal Phillips screwdriver and remove all the screws on the front cover. Simply lift your cover straight off. So the switch we're going to be flipping up is right here. It's on dip 1. It's the second switch over. We're going to push in the min and max. We're going to hold that in first. Now flip up dip 1. And now look on your controller, and when it shows the letters UL, takes about 4 or 5 seconds. You're going to flip down dip 1 and take your finger off min and max. Take a look at your controller. You just hit the power button. It's going to power right back on. So now you need to know why this happened and how to prevent it. So if you follow the exhaust pipe, maybe a mouse made a nest outside, or a chipmunk, or what happens with these 90-degree fittings is water builds up in here and it blocks the exhaust. All you have to do is drill like a 1/16 inch diameter hole in this elbow, and it will drip just a little touch of water, but it will not allow it to build up and cause that error. And that's how you stop it from happening again. Now you just need to put the cover back on. You're just going to push it on straight. It will hold itself in place, and now we're going to go ahead and tighten up all the screws. You don't need to make these real tight. All you want to do is make them a little more than snug. Congratulations on fixing your own tankless hot water heater. Hope this video helps you out, and thanks for watching.